Do you love fettuccine Alfredo, but you're trying to figure out how to make it so that it won't take forever to make? I have the perfect recipe for you that takes 2 minutes. Yes, just 2 minutes to prepare. It is so quick and easy. I call it my quick and easy fettuccine Alfredo sauce recipe. If you want to see how I make it, keep on watching. Our ingredients: Parmesan cheese, cream cheese. Now for the exact measurements, visit the blog. Oops, I spilled a little of my heavy whipping cream. And butter. I'm adding everything to a microwave safe bowl. It's a little plastic bowl. So I have my cream cheese in. I'm adding my Parmesan cheese now. Next, I'm adding my butter. Y'all, when I tell y'all this recipe is so quick and easy. And here goes my heavy whipping cream. A little parsley. Himalayan pink salt. I don't add a lot because the Parmesan cheese has salt in it. And garlic. Alright, here's everything in the bowl. And guess where we're heading to? The microwave. You're going to put it in for 20 to 30 seconds, depending on your microwave. I microwaved it for 30 seconds. And here it is. I'm going to stir it up. I'm going to stir it up very, very well to make sure I get all of the lumps out. And I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to actually put it back in the microwave. And here it is. I put it in for another 30 seconds. And it's all done. See that steam is piping hot. I told you this recipe is so easy, but we're not finished yet. Let's see what we're going to do with it next. So I like to actually pour my Alfredo sauce over my pasta. Now, if you missed the type of pasta I'm using, I did have it in a previous video. These are the shiitake tofu noodles. These are the fettuccine noodles. I think they cost about $2 and some change. And it's a whole pack. And trust me, it's very, very filling. All right, here we are. Here is our finished Alfredo sauce and our noodles. Now I'm going to add some shrimp to it, but you can add whatever protein you like. This night I wanted some shrimp.